Ever dreamt of sleeping with the fishes? Not in the mafia way, but in the magical underwater kind? Imagine a world where the ocean is your bedroom and the marine life is your neighbor. Imagine waking up to panoramic views of vibrant marine life, all from the comfort of your cozy underwater suite. The gentle sway of the water, the colorful fish darting by, and the serene coral reefs create a mesmerizing start to your day. At Jules's Undersea Lodge, every moment is a window into the ocean's wonders. The lodge is designed to immerse you in the beauty of the underwater world, offering a unique perspective that you won't find anywhere else. Nestled 30 feet beneath the surface in Key Largo, Florida, this one-of-a-kind lodging offers an intimate and immersive experience like no other. The lodge is a marvel of engineering, providing all the comforts of home while being surrounded by the wonders of the ocean. You'll literally be living in an aquarium, surrounded by schools of colorful fish and mesmerizing coral reefs. The vibrant marine life is just a glance away, making every moment a visual feast. But it's not just about the view. The lodge offers a range of activities and amenities to make your stay as enjoyable as possible. Picture yourself unwinding with a good book, or perhaps indulging in a gourmet meal, all while enjoying the tranquil sounds of the ocean. The lodge's chefs prepare exquisite meals that you can savor while watching the marine life pass by. The lodge isn't just a place to stay, it's a portal to a breathtaking underwater world. The unique setting allows you to explore the ocean in a way that few people ever get to experience. For the adventure seekers, scuba diving into your room is part of the package. The lodge offers scuba diving lessons and guided tours, allowing you to explore the underwater world up close. Yes, you heard that right. Your stay begins with a dive, setting the tone for an unforgettable underwater escapade. The dive is an exhilarating experience that adds an extra layer of excitement to your stay. Your stay begins with a dive, setting the tone for an unforgettable underwater escapade. The dive is an exhilarating experience that adds an extra layer of excitement to your stay. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or simply looking for a unique getaway, Jules Undersea Lodge offers a magical, serene, and immersive escape from the ordinary. The lodge is perfect for romantic getaways, family vacations, or even solo adventures. So why settle for a regular hotel when you can have an entire ocean suite? The lodge offers all the amenities of a luxury hotel, but with the added bonus of being surrounded by the ocean. Book your stay today and dive into the magic of Jules's Undersea Lodge. The lodge offers a range of packages to suit different budgets and preferences, making it accessible to everyone. Where every moment is a deep-sea adventure, the lodge offers a range of activities, from scuba diving to underwater photography, ensuring that there's something for everyone. Ready to make waves with your next vacation? Jules Undersea Lodge is the perfect destination for those looking to experience something truly unique and unforgettable. Jules' Undersea Lodge is waiting for you. Don't miss out on the opportunity to experience the magic of the underwater world. Book your stay today and start your underwater adventure.